I'm going to be a millionaire in 4 years' time. I know what you're thinking, blah, 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 another person on YouTube trying to show me side hustles that don't even work or even make as much money as they say they do. I've made the biggest decision that I'll ever make, and that is making £1 million by the time I reach 30. And I'm 26. God, I love stress. I'm Adam, an average guy from the southwest of England. Like you, I'm sick of hearing all these little side hustles that don't work and seeing all these 19-year-olds driving in supercars all the way around the place. God, they're little shits. So here, on this channel, I'll be documenting the full journey from start, which is now, through the failures, through the successes of this journey, and showing it to you on this channel. So, if you're into that sort of thing and want to follow along, please subscribe. So how does an average guy from the southwest aim to make this milestone? Firstly, I need to do two things. One is to find a new income source, and the second is to get my mental health and mindset correct to give me momentum into the future. Just to be clear, this isn't just about the money. This is to solidify my confidence, mindset, and discipline. Firstly, I'll look into some activities to implement in my daily routine. This will help me focus and clear my mind. To add to this, I'll be also starting a very simple diet. This is just to save time, so I don't need to keep getting up in the morning and making my lunch for the day. It will all be prepared and ready to go. I'll also research side hustles so I can get used to running something on the side. From there, I'm just going to get started. Every influencer on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook all say you need to get started and you need to get out of your comfort zone. So I'm now going to look into some side hustle ideas. Well, that was eventful. I've got over 100 ideas that I can implement right now. So what I'll do, if this video hits 100 likes, I'll post it in the description box below. Make sure to like because it'll help with the YouTube algorithm. So out of these, I'll choose 3 to implement now. Before I do any of that, I need to build a foundation. A foundation to help me with my mindset and mental health, so I'm not overstressing, not overthinking things, which is extremely important when it comes to something like this. So that's why you'll need to see this video here to see where all the Top Guns started and how I'm going to implement it into my life.